Hello, everyone. I am the General Manager of Nanjing Daiya Jewelry Co., LV Jingui. Today I'll show you around our 24K gold rose production workshop. Let you understand how 24K gold roses are made after more than 100 production process to produce. Please come with me. A city's sanitary environment represents the degree of civilization of a city. The dust-free environment of our workshop is also important during the peak season because the factory's production capacity can keep up and affect the sales of your store. In order to solve this problem, we divided all the workshops into 5 modules. 7 systems and 108 workstations are designed. Simultaneous production of multiple orders during peak season. At present, we have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification. Above is the 24K gold rose of our Diya Gold Rose production workshop. Diya Rose welcomes customers at home and abroad too. On-site visit and guidance. Diya Rose welcomes all of you.